has not come here. And her police, she is the home minister of the state also. She has completely failed. And what you have heard, it is not my words. It is not what BJP is saying. It is the people are saying that they want BSF camp. Right from the beginning till now, their only demand is we want BSF permanent camp. We want CBI, we want NIA, we want Rashtrapati Shashan. They don't believe in the law and order. You can see everywhere there are posters. I'm surprised that such a backward places, even the children are saying, "Ami ki school jabo na? Am I not going to go to school?" This is the kind of wailing of the women and children that we have found here, which is, I find out of my working here for last 12 years, that there is some terror groups which are sheltered by this Mamata Banerjee's government. The police has turned their blind eye, and they have used the opportunity to assault people, and they have assaulted the women. They have told that we are keeping the blade here, say Allahu Akbar, then only you can be saved. So these kind of words I have not heard in the past. In the 12 years that I have worked here, I have not seen there is this kind of Hindu-Muslim disharmony. People work here, they do Durga Puja also, they also do the Eid and everything. But the first time after Motawari was the first module, and we have seen exactly the same module worked here. So within some days we want to know who is behind this. We want to know whether, I'm saying again and again, that it's not the local Muslim brothers who have done this kind of work. They have not been involved in this kind of work. They have used, the pro-terror groups have used local innocent Muslim boys, young boys, 12 to 14-year-old, everybody has seen. And they have tried to do this type of thing only to demonstrate terror. If they demonstrate terror, they get funding. And this is a business. This is a business of terror. This is a business of fear. We are not going to allow this in our country.